In a major legal development involving a well-known auto dealership in West Texas. A federal judge issuing a temporary restraining order against Grimsley Auto Group, putting tight restrictions on how the dealership can operate, at least for now. You recall the Hyundai is suing the auto group on some serious allegations, including defaulting on loan agreements and failing to make required payoffs. Tonight, we're hearing from a Texas attorney who says the dealership may now be in jeopardy of doing business in the future.
The future of the auto group is definitely in jeopardy. This preliminary injunction can be extended, and there's not an end date for this injunction. If the allegations are true, without being able to freely continue to conduct business and come up with that amount of money that Hyundai is saying is owed, it doesn't seem realistic that the auto group's going to be able to come back from this.
Now, this federal attorney also providing advice to folks who may have been directly impacted by these recent issues.
Certainly not saying that I can tell that any criminal actions took place based on the civil pleadings, but it would not be inconsistent if criminal fraud allegations were to follow in this type of situation if the allegations in the civil pleadings are true. Hyundai is represented by Padfield and Stout. They're not necessarily looking out for the consumer's interest. Their client is Hyundai, but at the same time, it is in Hyundai's best interest that their brand is not tarnished by the actions of this dealership. And so certainly I would expect that they will be trying to identify victimized consumers. For civil matters, they should contact an attorney. For if they think they have been the victim of a criminal fraud, then they should contact law enforcement.
And this injunction will stay in effect until the case is resolved or a final judgment is reached. Violating it could result in contempt of court charges.